Howdens has established a new partnership with national parks. This is a 2-year partnership which will see us support the parks in the restoration of nature and woodland creation. Our Road to Zero strategy is all about zero waste and zero emissions. As a business that relies on forestry for the majority of its products, it's really important that we recognise the impact that we're having on the environment. There are 15 national parks, probably which most of us have visited at some point in our lives. All of our employees have the opportunity to get out into the parks, improve their own well-being, as well as taking part in volunteering initiatives. The partnership is important to Howdens because it's worthwhile for all. It allows community engagement and promotes health and well-being, and it allows us to give back.